Take
Hello,
two.
everyone. Welcome to Barangay VA University. I'm John, the founder of Barangay V Community. And for tonight, we're going to learn about how to be a lead generation VA. Alam ko
Okay.
marami sa inyo ang nag-overthink sa niche nyo simula 2020 to 2021.
Mhm.
Nag-overthink na kayo. Pero baka ito na ang niche na para sa'yo. No? And for today, of course, we invited, okay, the founder, okay, the CEO of, you know, Nidea, okay, and then we're gonna talk about, how to get this free lead gen course, no, na makukuha natin
Mm.
sa Setters PH, no. He's the founder of Setters PH, and he's none other than Royan. Hello, hello kay Coach Royan. I-hi natin sila sa comment. Hello, Coach Royan. Ganon. Mag-hi kayo, come on. I-welcome natin siya. Royan, hello, hello.
Hello, Jam. How are you doing today?
I'm doing amazing. Salamat naman at nag-yes ka sa opportunity na ito, sa
Of course,
webinar
my
na ito.
friend. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, I can't say no to you. And I can see that your audience in your community are already excited. Nakakatuwa, very engaged sila. Hindi nila kaya yung nasasabayan nila yung energy mo, Sir
Correct.
Jam. Nakakatuwa.
Kailangan. A-adjust sila sa
Yeah.
energy. Oo.
Advance Merry Christmas, everyone. So, ready to get started?
Yes. Yeah, we are. Pero guys, get your pens and paper because
Mhm.
we are gonna learn from this webinar. And at the same time, guys, sa huli, meron tayong doon kayo bibigay yung links sa free free lead generation course ni Sir Royan and plus opportunities at the end. Kaya stay tuned mga Mima. We are ready when you're ready, Sir Royan.
Ready. Okay, so hi Miss Leia, Queenie, Lay, Kayla, Maying, Vanny, Sheen, Hilda, May. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to our training on how to make millions as a lead generation VA. My name is Roy Anidea. Today I am going to teach you the step-by-step process and the things that you need to do to start making money as a lead generation virtual assistant. The beautiful thing about being a lead generation virtual assistant is that it's not only something that you can apply for your clients, but ultimately you can apply it for your own business. Simply because if you know how to generate leads, that means that you will be able to help yourself, your business, acquire more clients. So, ito yung one of the fascinating thing about being a lead generation VA. Yung mismong skill mo na ginagamit mo to provide a service to your clients is the same skill that you will use to grow your business. So, ito yung gusto kong ituro sa inyo ngayon because lead generation is vast and masyadong madaming details. But I want to make this very productive. So yung ituturo ko sa inyo is action steps instead of just theories and first layer strategies. Okay? I will give you the exact steps. Pero before anything else, first I want to, of course, thank Sir Jam for inviting me dito sa community nyo to share insights. And last but not the least, of course, I want to thank each and every one of you for being here. The fact that you are here, it means that you're ready to grow. You're ready to have a better life. You're ready to make millions online. And if Sir Jam and I are able to do it, making millions online, you can also
Ala,
do it. Sabi
sige,
naman,
charit.
magre-react ka na naman eh. Okay, so you can also do it, definitely. So I want to thank you for your time kasi yung time natin, ito yung pinaka-valuable na asset natin ngayon eh. And then, but there's a next level to it, which is our attention. And the fact that you are here and we have your attention, it means that this is important for you. So I promise to do everything in my power to make this well worth your time para mapakita namin din sa inyo na this is also important for us. Okay? Please type in the chat ready if you're ready to get started, if you're excited and you are grateful to be here because I'm very grateful and very ready to be here. So, bago ako magpatuloy sa training, I think it makes sense for me to first introduce myself para alam ninyo what makes me credible enough for you to listen to. Is it okay if I first introduce myself. What makes me credible enough for you to listen to? Okay, so when I was 18, I dropped out of college, and I was able to enter the BPO industry at that age. And dun ko na discover yung world of sales. Alam mo yun, sa for any one of you here na galing din sa call center, alam mo yung pinasukan mo customer service or tech pero pinapabenta ka nila. So yun yung nangyari sa akin. I was able to discover sales in the BPO world. Ngayon, after a few years in the BPO, I had an opportunity to work online. I excelled very well in sales. It was something that I just like doing because it's very heavy on, having conversations with people, which is something that I love. One day, I had an opportunity to work for a company, and my main responsibility was to help them acquire clients. Online na to, guys. And turns out, yung company na yon, wala silang lead generation na sistema to give me leads. Kasi syempre, kung ako salesperson, kailangan ko ng leads, di ba? To close. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, well, I need to kumbaga, step up and help this company. And I told myself, well, if I'm already good at sales, and I can master marketing, I told myself, I'm going to be unstoppable if I do that. So this is where I started my journey of trying to discover how to generate leads for myself. And the very first thing that I came up and discovered is the power of LinkedIn. So how many of you here are already using LinkedIn or you're familiar about LinkedIn? Can you please type LinkedIn in the chat if you're familiar with LinkedIn? Sir Jam is also an ambassador. I saw one of his training. He was teaching how to use LinkedIn for your virtual assistant business. So it's very, very important piece of your journey to learn LinkedIn. But in this training, I am going to focus more around the power of LinkedIn to generate leads for yourself and for your clients. Will I be able to share my screen, Sir Jam? Okay, so I'm pulling up my LinkedIn right now, and I am going to share my screen, entire screen. And I hope you can see it already, right? You can see it now, right? Okay. All right. So this is my LinkedIn, and I'm not going to go on the details of how to use LinkedIn. I'm just going to give you a simple thing that is the first step for you to become an effective lead generation specialist. Okay? Because this is what I used first to help me with my journey. So from being from a dropped out college student to a call center agent making 8,000 pesos a month to building an agency that was making 500 to 1 million per month. This was all lead generation. You know why? Lead generation virtual assistants is grabe yung demand kasi. Kasi sobrang daming mga businesses hindi nila alam kung paano mag-generate ng leads. And lead generation is almost kind of like the oxygen of a business. If you have consistent flow of leads, then you have consistent flow of sales. And if you have consistent flow of sales, you have consistent flow of revenue, then your business is going to be able to survive, to be able to grow more, even more better. So ito yung importance nitong training na to. So again, the very first step of that entire process is how to find the lead. So I'm going to give you here few steps that you can implement immediately. Okay, so be ready to put this on the notes. Let me see. Okay, so everyone can see my screen, right? Okay, ito na.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So this is LinkedIn, and LinkedIn have a premium feature that you can actually avail for 30 days free. Okay, so if you don't have the funds yet, you can still do and implement this for yourself. Just get Sales Navigator for free, and it's free for 30 days. Sales Navigator is a premium feature of LinkedIn that allows you to build a database of your target customer. So in this example, I am going to give you a search. So, for example, dalawang example to. Kunyari, ikaw naghahanap ka ng mga business owner for yourself, or pwede din na naghahanap ka na ng mga business owner or customer for your client. So, let's say, for example, that you are looking for founders, okay, and they are owner of a company, right? They have, let's say, 11 to 50 employees, and they are in the US. Okay? Now, Sales Navigator is give you this that is going to give you a database of this particular list that you created. And maybe we can also add here, nasa insurance sila. Okay? Whatever your target customer, you can find them here in Sales Navigator. Especially if they are in the B2B space. Kumbaga, if they're a business owner, if they're in the corporate world, most probably, if not all the time, you will find them here in Sales Navigator. Okay? So, now that you have this list of people that you believe is your target customer or target customer of your client, ang kailangan mo na siyempreng gawin sunod is to contact them, di ba? So, first step again is how to find the leads. And then, yung next step is how to contact the leads. Okay? So, from on a normal training on LinkedIn, ipapakita na dito sa inyo kung paano nyo to kukontakin sa LinkedIn. So, syempre, pwede ka mag-send ng connection request, pwede ka mag-message, right? But I'll show you a hack that would allow you to actually export this information, this entire information, and turn it into a CSV file, okay? So, it's going to look like this. I can pull that information from Sales Navigator and have a list or database of this. I have their LinkedIn profile, I have their emails, and I have their phone number. And here's what's fascinating about this, everyone. This particular growth hack that I'm showing you right now to generate leads, most probably hindi to alam ng mga business owners. Ngayon na pinapakita ko sa inyo, only 1% of people knows how to do this. Actually, it's even less. Siyempre, madaming tao, di ba? So dito pa lang, pag pinakita mo ito sa kliyente mo, in a discovery call on how you will help them find leads and get customers, right off the bat, may factor of amazement na yon. Kasi pinapakita mo na sa kanila yung possibility. Kasi most businesses out there, they don't even know how to get the leads. Wala kahit yung pagkokontakin na lang, yung mako-contact na leads, wala sila noon. They don't have their name, they don't have their phone number, they don't have their emails. So dun pa lang sa particular step na yon, very valuable na yun sa kanila. In fact, there are businesses out there or there are online service providers out there na ito lang yung ginagawa nila. Binebenta nila yung database. So dun pa lang you can already make money. You can offer that as a service. Nasasabihin mo dun sa business owner, sir, if you want, I can build you a list of your target customer and then you pay me this. Right? So that's level 1 service of a lead generator, VA. The level 2 is that you don't only get them the leads, you also contact them for them. Okay? So ngayon na meron na kayo nito, CSV file, and of course, the question is, sir, how did you export that information from Sales Navigator? I use Expandi.io. So just put this on the note, Expandi.io, kasi this tools, it's something that you don't even have to, alam mo yun, learn anymore. Pag naka-login ka dyan, dire-diretso na, matututunan mo na siya. Alright? Ay, sorry. Nakita nyo yun, diba? Expandi.io.
Na-amaze ako. Sorry. Grabe naman yun. Hala.
Familiar ka dito, Sir Jam, sa strategy na to?
First time ko lang makita yung Expandi na yan. Ang mahal kasi ng, diba, ang mahal-mahal mag-premium na monthly. At least mamamaximize mo siya in 30 days na free trial. Nakakaloka.
Exactly. Ito yung gusto kong ipakita dito sa inyo lahat. Hindi nyo kailangan you don't need money to get this started. You know why? Even Expandi, you can have it for 7 days free. Okay? So, from an executional perspective, maybe if some of you haven't thought about it yet, kung may 30 days kayo sa Sales Navigator na free, tapos may 7 days kayo na libre sa Expandy, all you have to do is to scrape the heck out of it for 7 days. Talagang, and every search, you can, like, ito pa lang, itong isang search na to, these are already more than 2,000 leads. So, kung gagawin mo siya on a daily basis for 7 days, ay, ang alam ko, you can, right now, yung updated is that you can scrape 10 searches per day. So, talagang, you can be in a position na parang, ang dami mong leads na pwedeng gamitin for yourself for you to be able to contact business owners that you can work for. All right. Again, this is the first step. You use Sales Navigator to build the target customer. You use Expandy to extract that information, and then syempre you will have this. Okay? So, clear naman yung part na yon, 'di ba?
Clear, very clear.
Very clear,
gagawin
diba?
ko na nga mamaya eh.
And guys, again, you don't need to, kasi syempre, di ba, factor, especially for everyone who's just starting out, Sales Navigator is like, what? More than 5,000 pesos per month. So it is expensive, especially for people just starting out. Pero hindi mo kailangan naman kasing bayaran yun, kasi libre nga yun ng 30 days eh. Actually, yung iba, mas hinahack nila, gumagawa sila ng multiple LinkedIn accounts para mag-avail lang sila na, pero hindi naman na necessary gawin yun. Pero technically, pwede, di ba? So anyway, yung Expandy, tapos yun, this is a good question. Ang Expandy, guys, is a LinkedIn automation tool. Pero, meron siyang additional feature of extracting information from Sales Navigator. Okay? So later on, I'll talk a little bit more about automation. Pero for now, let's do the basic muna. Yung mas madali muna ninyong mai-implement. Okay? So again, Sales Navigator, build the target customer, use Expandy to extract the list, and so that you have their contact details, which is their LinkedIn profile, their email, their phone number. So yung question naman ngayon, sir, okay, what is the best way then for us to contact these people? So ngayon, kapag meron na kayo nito, syempre, gagamitin nyo na yung kung ano yung nasa harapan ninyo, di ba? So, kung meron kayong LinkedIn, if I will, of course, kunyari, contact this, ang gagawin ko na yan is, it's either, I click that link, okay? And then, I can either send this person a connection request, send her a note, or send her a direct message. Okay, ito nga, meron ng automation phase pala na nararan. Kapag ginawa niyo yon on a regular basis, on a consistent basis, then that is where you're going to start being able to talk to more people. So meron mas deeper strategy on how to actually get the responses. We have a complete training on this one, which is something that you will get if you stay until the end. Pero dito, ang sinasabi lang natin, kasi syempre, I don't know kung iba-iba yung mga offer ninyo, di ba? Dito, you have the link of the profile, you go to the LinkedIn, it's either you send that person a message directly, an email, or you send this person a connection request, right? Syempre, meron ding mga leads dito na may mga emails, okay? So, pwede mo rin siyang i-contact directly via email. And then, last but not the least, you can also send them a message on WhatsApp. Okay? So, from a very simple execution, especially for those who's just starting out, nangangapa pa lang kayo, yun na yung pwede nyong, napakadali nyo yung pwedeng gawin. Kapag ginawa nyo yun para sa sarili nyo, eventually, you're gonna get the hang of it. You can start also offering that as a service to your clients. Siyempre, wag natin kalimutan mag-optimize ang LinkedIn profile, which Sir Jam created a training, which is a very, very good training, very detailed. You start by optimizing your LinkedIn profile before you contact leads. Kasi ako, common mistake ko na ginawa yun when I was just starting out. Since yung background ko, lead generation, client acquisition, mahina naman ako sa creatives. Tapos ganun talaga ako mag-work. Like, I go directly to the execution. I already started contacting leads. The beautiful thing about that is I got some responses. Pero ang na-realize ko later on is kailangan ko mag-optimize nga ng profile. So, nahuli yung pag-optimize ko ng profile kesa sa pag-lead gen ko. The moment I started optimizing, nung natapos ko na mag-optimize yung profile ko, mas grabe yung response na nakuha ko. Kumbaga yung conversion, yung quality of leads, it became more better. I started having better conversations kasi meron akong somehow, alam mo yun, presence na nakikita nila before I even talk to them. Make sense? So I'm going to repeat that entire process again, and then I'm going to go to a second level of lead generation. All right? First, you go to Sales Navigator. If you don't have Sales Navigator yet, you will usually see that in the right top corner of your profile, or you will see that on the left side of your profile. Makikita nyo yan, and you can get that for free. You open Sales Navigator, you go to lead filters, and then you create a target customer. You put your founder, or of course you can put CEO, right? Tapos dito dinadagdag ko siya ng additional step para alam ko lang na owner siya currently. And then kunyari yung target customer ko, in my case United States. Tapos kunyari ito lagyan ko lang to kunyari insurance. All right? You're able to create a database of your target customer with this list. And then all you have to do is to use Expandy to extract that information. So meron yan para sa Expandy, kailangan mo i-copy paste mo to, lalagyan mo siya sa Expandy. Tapos you're going to have this. Okay? Again, this steps or strategy alone is already very valuable. So business owners would pay you for this. Pero syempre, if you want to do more for them, which is we are paid directly with the solution that we are providing. So if you want higher fees, premium fees, you wanna, let's say at least charge $1,000 per month, then offer a service where you are not only going to find leads for them, you're also going to contact the leads for them. So in this case, you can contact them via LinkedIn, you can contact them via email, and you can contact them also via WhatsApp. Okay? So ito yung first layer. Ito yung kahit sino kahit ngayon pa lang pwede niyo na tong gawin. All right? You don't need to have a lot of training to be able to execute this one. And don't worry, I will answer all the questions later on. Yung second level is doing automations. All right? And this will make more sense kapag may multiple clients ka na. So let me show you a way to automate this process. So nakita niyo tong mga emails na to. Syempre ang dami nila, 'di ba? This could be thousands of emails. Paano mo sila mako-contact at scale? So there's this tool that's called Instantly. So check it out. And Instantly also offers a free version. Okay? I'm not gonna go deep on Instantly. Kasi ito another another topic of lead generation. Pero ang bottom line, Instantly is a tool that will allow you to send cold emails at scale. And the reason why I'm showing you this one is because when you create a free account in Instantly, you will get access to their in-depth training on how to do cold emailing. So in my case, for my own company, we're doing 10,000 cold emails a day, just for my own company. So by telling your client that you can help them contact, let's say 1,000 leads a day via emails, again, super valuable na naman yun. They want those kind of services. Kasi yung idea na parang, sir, if you contact 1,000 leads a day, it's impossible for you not to get results. That's just, it's not mathematically, kumbaga, alam mo yun, impossible na hindi ka makapagkuha ng results. Kasi 1,000 leads a day is 2 times 20,000 lahat yun, di ba? So this is a way for you to automate cold emails. Pero again, that's another vast topic. Kaya ang gusto ko, tingnan niyo yung tool, tapos meron niyang mas heavy training sa cold emailing. That's how you automate cold emailing. The second one is how you automate LinkedIn you can use Expandy naman. Again, Expandy have their own training on how to do outbound marketing with LinkedIn. Okay? Everyone can follow pa? Type 1 in the
Nakasabay
chat.
ba?
If kaya pa. Automation, type 1 in the chat if you can
Type
follow.
1. Kakaloka. Aralin ko nga yan. Type 1 mga mi, type 1.
Nakukulangan ka pa sa value na binibigay mo sa marketplace, Sir Jam. Hindi pa enough. Okay. So ito na yung interesting bit.
Hindi ko pa masyado na-embrace. Kaya I'm
Okay,
medyo
okay.
new at that.
So ito. I'll give you a trick, 'di ba? So far, I've already showed you how to find the leads. And then I also showed you how to contact the leads. So yung dalawa na yon is already a combination of a service. You can already sell that to the marketplace. And yung both combination na yon, it can already help you get clients. Okay? By simply implementing that in yourself. Pero may papakita ko sa inyo para mas madali yung pagkuha ninyo ng kliyente. Especially if you've already learned how to use Instantly, which is something you can do. You can learn how to do cold emailing in like, if you sit down and like really go deep on it, you can start learning how to use Instantly and provide that as a service. Ready? I will show you now how to get clients the easiest way possible. So when you go to Facebook and put Instantly here, they have a group that you can join. This group has 50,000 members. Okay? Now, ito yung interesting bit dito, everyone. 1% dito sa group na to are service providers ng LinkedIn, ay ng Instantly. Ibig sabihin, the rest are potential customers. Kumbaga and this is a group by Instantly sa lahat ng nagsusubscribe sa kanila. Okay? So if you become a member of this group, you can start getting access to the members of Instantly, which are potential customers. Siyempre, kailangan yung tingnan muna yung profile nila, kung VA din sila, kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Kapag nakita mo na hindi siya around cold email marketing, that can be a potential client. You can send that person a message. Sir, I found you in the Instantly group. I intentionally reached out to you because I specialize in using Instantly to help my businesses generate leads. So another way na naman yun, ito naman, para naman to sa inyo. Alam nyo na itong tao na to is part of Instantly and they're using Instantly tool. Tapos ikaw, inaral mo kung paano gamitin ng Instantly. So all you have to do is to show them how you can help them. By showing them, sir, this is how I'm gonna find the leads and then we're gonna use Instantly to contact your leads. Does that make sense? So yun na yung step by step na yun. You are able to find the leads, you contact the leads. Yung dalawang combination na skill na yun, pwede madali na yun na yung i-offer ninyo. And then you can find clients using this Facebook group. Ito yung one thing that I'd like to share with everyone. It doesn't have to be complicated. Building a virtual assistant business doesn't have to be complicated. Hindi kailangan na sobrang madami kang matutunan. Well, especially when you're starting out. Of course, you need to continue learning, you need to continue growing. Pero most of the time, kailangan nyo lang may ma-master na isang tool na may malaking following. Kasi, kunyari, for example, ako, yung first agency ko was a LinkedIn marketing agency. Diba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, when I found myself in a position na yung company na pinagtatrabuhan ko, wala palang lead generation, I've dived into the world of lead generation and then I discovered LinkedIn. I've learned a lot from experimenting, implementing it for myself, implementing it for my clients. So yung nangyari is I started providing a LinkedIn marketing agency. So that was my first virtual assistant business. LinkedIn alone. So dito sa pinapakita ko sa inyo, in fact, you can also provide you can provide two things. You can provide two services as a lead generation VA. LinkedIn, outreach, outbound, or cold email. Pag kinumbine mo yung dalawa na yan, powerful. You can charge $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 per month. Tapos syempre, alam mo kung paano kapag hanap ng kliyente, sabihin mo, okay, gusto ko ng kliyente na parang mas medyo malaki-laki, sige, kontakin ko mga 51 to 200 ang employee niya. Alam mo yun, you can play around with it kasi ikaw mismo marunong ka maghanap ng leads. So I will answer Q&A tayo, Sir Jam.
Yes. Yes, OMG. Sobrang
Okay.
gold. Sobrang gold ng shinare mo. Thank you so much, Sir Royan. Everyone, if you have questions about this, you may now hit the comment section if you have questions about what we talked about. And thank you very much. Very, very gold na strategy na shinare mo. Guys, andyan na lahat, no? Andyan na lahat. Ano na lang, execute mo na lang. Tapos pwede ka na mag-lead gen. Pwede na, di ba?
We're not done yet. Don't worry, guys. I will answer the questions. And if you notice, di ba, yung approach ko dito sa training na to is just to give you nuggets of pieces and advice. Kasi the last thing that I want to do in 1 hour, like there's no way that I will be able to, alam mo yun, turn you into a lead generation VA. Pero if I plant the seeds na there's this thing and there's this thing and this is what you just need to do, it's a lot productive. So, ano yung mga action steps ninyo? Action step ninyo is to explore instantly, get the training in instantly. Explore expandi, get the training in expandi. Use Sales Navigator, start exporting leads from it. Yun pa lang, pag ginawa mo yun, instantly, it's gonna give you the momentum. Kasi ikaw mismo, alam mo, oh my God, may leads akong pwedeng kontakin. Di ba kasi most of the time yun yung talagang problema natin. Like, we want more clients, pero we want to get clients, pero we don't even know how to contact them. We don't even know who to contact. So, ito na yung momentum. Tapos, merong mas vast training dito that we are gonna share with you. Sir Jam, you want me to start answering the questions?
Yes, we have one question from Ms. K. How do you prevent spam violations when sending cold email outreach?
This is a great question. So, madaming details around this for you to make sure that you get in the inbox, not in the spam. So, ang tawag namin dyan sa cold email marketing world, Miss Crizel, is, I hope I pronounced your name properly, is deliverability. So, may deliverability na kailangan mong trabahuhin para yung emails mo, it goes to the inbox, not in the spam. So, ano yung mga ways of things that you need to prevent? So, number one, there are spam words. When you write a copy or an email message, meron kang mga words na hindi mo dapat ginagamit. Or else, it's going to spam. So, I'll give you an example. Wait lang. I-share ulit ako ng screen para nakikita nila. Ano to, di ba? Recorded so they can come back to it.
Yes.
Okay, so check this out. This is mailmeteor.com/spam/checker. Dito ka pwedeng magsulat ng email copy mo, tapos ibibigay niya yung mga words na that could lead you to landing in spam. For example, free. That is a spam words. Guaranteed is a spam words. Money, dollar, yan. Mga ano yan, mga spam words yan. So pag merong ganung word yung copy ninyo, tumataas yung chances na pupunta siya sa spam. Make sense? So that's one way to prevent. The second way to prevent is that you need to warm up your emails. You can't just, create a new email and then use it to start contacting people. You can't do that. Even with LinkedIn, hindi pwede. Kapag first time nyo itong ginagawa, kailangan nyo i-warm up yung emails ninyo. The beautiful thing about Instantly is that it warms up the email on its own. So, ito, may vast training around this. So, you will learn that in the Instantly training or in the training that we will give you later on. Pero in short, kailangan mo i-warm up yung email. Ano ba yung warm up yung email? You you basically, if you're not going to use a tool, kailangan hindi ka pwede mag-contact ng masyadong madaming leads agad. Siguro you start with 1 a day for the first week and then 3 in the second week. Yung ganun, kukonti-kontiin mo siya. Parang papainitin mo siya. So that's the number 2. Ano pa? Number 3, you need to make sure that ito special to. Medyo deep siya pero important siya. You need to use Spintax copy. Okay, so what is Spintax copy? This is my own campaign, and if you look at tingnan niyo to guys. This is a campaign that I'm running for my client, and this is a 1-week campaign. We got him 173 opportunities. So yung ganyang value, you can get paid like kahit $8,000 per month, pwede yan. Pero anyway, gusto kong pakita sa inyo is Spintax copy. If you notice dito, medyo ano na to guys, medyo detailed na to, pero I hope some of you would I'll make this easy to understand. Ang Spintax copy is that, so when you're doing cold email, kapag sinend mo lang yung same message palagi, pupunta yun sa spam. In fact, mabablock ka. Kunyari, sinabi mo, "Hi Sir Jam, how are you today?" Hindi mo pwedeng isend yun ng paulit-ulit. Kailangan, i-rephrase mo yun. "Hi Sir Jam, how are you today?" I-rephrase mo siya na, "Hey Sir Jam, hope you're having a great day today." Or kaya, "Hello Sir Jam." Alam mo yun, binabago mo yung mga words. So if you look at this, as an example, ipansinin nyo lang tong subject line kasi syempre mahirap tingnan lahat, di ba? Tingnan nyo tong subject line. This is going to change every time I'm going to, nakita nyo? Interview for you, Michael. Ito biglang invitation for you, Michael. Interview invite for Michael. Nagbabago-bago siya. So that's one way also to prevent going to spam.
Amazing.
I hope that answer your question. Mas madami pa yan pero nakakatuwa yung mga details na yan. Ano pa? Where can I find Sales Navigator? I showed that earlier.
Here, for contacting potential, i-flash ka lang, sir. For contacting potential clients, what's the best tool to use, especially, Jam? Especially for cold calling and texting.
Okay, for cold calling, for texting, if you are looking into SMS marketing, I would, syempre, i-recommend ko yung sarili kong software, which is Proseso. Pero you can also consider GHL.
GHL and Proseso. Ayan. Alright.
Proseso.
Next is...
How do we ensure that we get quality leads, and aside from A/B testing, what other strategy we can use to ensure the leads are good leads? Well, quality leads kasi is something that you create. Alam mo yun? You create it Kunyari, so this is where funnels comes in. This is a specific strategy. So I'm running a strategy right now to get highly quality leads for myself. Instead of just pushing my offer to the marketplace, I invite people or my target customer, which are VPs of companies with at least 1,000 employees. I invite them to a podcast with me. Ang nangyayari kasi, kapag sinabi mo sa kanila na, "Hi sir, I do this and do this and do that. Would you like to have a chat?" So you push your offer to the marketplace, diba, that way. Syempre, mas mababa yung response nun. Versus kapag sinabi mo, "Sir, can I invite you for an interview for my podcast?" Madami talagang mag-yes doon. So to answer your question, paano ko sir makukuha na, paano ko gagawing quality leads yun? In-invite ko sila sa podcast. You double qualify. So first, in order for them to even become a guest sa podcast ko, tinatanong ko na sila, do you want to do this and do that? Which is basically, in my case, since I help them with client acquisition, building their coaching business, in building their podcast, YouTube, tinatanong ko na sila, do you want to become a thought leader? Do you want to turn your expertise into a business? So dapat mag-yes sila doon. Kapag nag-yes sila doon, pwede kong maging potential client yun. That's number 1. Number 2, I ask them subtle questions to ask, kumbaga, what is their income? Pwede ko rin tanongin yun. So in short, kasi yung question na to from Carl, it's obvious that he knows a little bit, he already knows lead generation eh. He knows A/B testing and to good leads. Dito papasok yung process mo to qualify. Siguro yung pinakamadaling sagot ko dito is always use an application form.
Yes.
Before, so Carl, this is a question for you. Yung kung appointment setting yung deliverability mo, kailangan yung prospect bago makapag-book ng appointment dun sa client mo, kailangan may sasagutan muna silang series of questions that will allow you and your client to identify if it's a quality lead for you. Does that make sense? Kumbaga, qualify.
Pre-qualifying, yeah.
Pre-qualify. Kung hindi naman, kailangan mo ng funnel. You bring them to like a webinar. For example, ito, kayo dito lahat, we don't have anything to sell you, pero kayo dito lahat, warm leads na kayo. Warm leads na kayo. Pwede kayong, you want to build a successful virtual assistant business or you want to make money online, right? So, nung una pa lang, nung hindi nyo pa kilala si Sir Jam, cold leads kayo. Nakita nyo yung one of his posts, one of his contents, you've engaged into his community, naging warm leads na kayo. So, yun, nagiging quality lead, nagiging mas maganda kayo ng leads. Does that make sense? Yung cold, warm.
Yes.
If I spend more time, in fact, if I created a training that would lead you to buy something, I can do that. Kasi alam ko na kung ano yung need ninyo eh. Pwede din na madami dito mga lead generation VA na, tapos gusto pa nilang mas matuto, di ba? So, by the end of this training, I can sell you something that is going to get you to the next level. Make sense?
Yes.
Kasi nga, quality leads na kayo. Kasi Sir Jam already did a lot of work in terms of warming you up. And ano na kayo eh, kumbaga kayo mismo, qualify nyo na yung sarili ninyo as a lead. Okay? Did that answer your question, Sir Carl?
So, yes, sabi nga, thank you, super helpful daw.
Absolutely. Tapos yun, A/B test lagi. Where can I find Sales Navigator? I have a premium account LinkedIn. However, what I see on top, right? Okay. Hindi, wala ka ng premium account. Kasi may mga different premium accounts kasi ang LinkedIn. Sales Navigator, recruitment, learning. So, ang advice ko sa'yo, you can create a new account or use your spouse account kung hindi niya pa ginagamit yung premium niya, then you can get Sales Navigator.
Yep. Ito. Yung usual interview kasi sa lead gen na experience ko is about the percentage of turning a lead into a customer. Pero struggle ko kasi parang it fluctuates. Ano po ba best answer kapag ganitong questions?
Okay, so first of all, it's important that you're able to clarify with your client na hindi nyo trabaho to turn the lead into a customer. Kasi nasa lead generation side kayo eh. But the best way to answer this is to ask them a question. You ask them a question, Sir, if I can get you 5 appointments per month, how many do you think you can close? And then maybe they'll say, I think I can close 1. Okay? All right, sir. So if I get you 10 appointments per month, does that mean that you can get 2 clients per month? And then they would say, yeah, I think I can do that. How much do you charge per client, sir? Then they most probably say, I charge $5,000. Okay, sir. So it means that if I can get you 10 appointments, highly qualified leads per month, 10 highly qualified leads per month, most probably will make $10,000, right? So by asking those questions, you will be able to help your client understand na okay, I'm the person that's gonna do this particular work. Ako yung magko-close ng sale. Tapos in-establish mo yun, tinulungan mo siyang i-establish sa sarili niya na kung sinasabi niya na kaya niya, trabahuhin yung sa sales side, then your work is to get them the leads. When you ask them that questions and he keeps on saying yes and yes, and then you tell them, then okay, sir, I can definitely get you, then I can definitely help you, sir. If you know that you can close the leads that I can bring you, then we can work together. Take note, you are the one who is providing a service to them. You're the one who's helping them. Hindi sila yung tumutulong sa iyo. Exchange of value yung business, di ba? The only value that your clients is gonna give you is the money that you can make. Which is, of course, something that's amazing. Okay? What I'm just trying to say is that minsan parang confused tayo dun sa relationship na parang sila yung kailangan natin. Pareho yun. It takes two to tango. We need them and they need us. Kailangan lang natin i-establish yun na this is at the end of the day a partnership. We work together to make to a common goal. Kasi pag lead generate, pag sinabi mong client acquisition, tutulungan mo sila end to end, even on how to turn the clients into a customer. Pero kahit na kasi meron pa ring part. Kaya I'm not a fan of clients that offers commission per deals closed. Kasi you don't have any control over that eh. Paano kung nakapagbigay sa kanya ng 20 appointments or 20 qualified lead pero he's not doing a good job closing the sale, he doesn't follow up. So, di ba, it doesn't make sense.
Another pre-qualifier yan, no? Sir Ryan. Kung siya, willing siya to do whatever it takes to close clients for you, but ikaw yung mag-generate ng leads for them.
Oh, and be careful with this one kasi most clients na kailangan ng lead generation is struggling to get clients. And a lot of businesses na like that, madami dyan yung parang they want it done for them, but at the same time, they don't want to pay. Kasi nga, they're struggling to get clients, diba? So, wala silang pera. Pero, especially startup. Pero not all of them. So, dito sa question mo, is about percentage of turning a lead into a customer. So, first, kailangan mong establish na you're going to deliver leads to them, but they're the one who's gonna close the sale. So, ang pwede mong ibigay na KPI mo is yung number of leads that you can give them or number of appointments, pero hindi number of close. Pero pwede mo silang bigyan ng percentage na in a way na parang, kunyari, tanungin mo sila, pag tinanong, so okay, how many sales do you think we can close? Sir, what is your current closing rate? Are you closing at 10%, 20%? Pag sinabi nila, I'm closing at 20%. Okay, sir. Then it means if I get you 10 appointments, you can get 2. So yun yung sagot sa tanongan nila, 'di ba?
Nice. Ito, if it's okay to ask, ano po ba ang normal rate for lead gen? If I have an experience na ni-price ako ng piso per lead.
Piso per lead. So depende kung lead generation lang na bibigay mo lang sila ng list of leads that they can contact, ibang pricing yon. Pero pag lead generation plus appointment setting, wherein you literally going to get them appointments, ibang pricing yon. So this is what do you call this? Vast question to. Pero this is how I'm gonna answer it. Always remember that prices are made up. Prices are just made up. Yung pricing mo will depend on number 1, your experience, number 2, your ability to deliver results, and number 3, yung financial withdrawals na kausap mo. Okay? I'm going to break it down. It doesn't make sense for you to charge premium if you know that you don't have a lot of experience yet. Kasi ang mangyayari, papraktisan mo yung client mo kausap mo. Alright, that's number 1. Number 2, yun, prices is made up. So in short, ikaw yung gagawa ng sarili mong price. And then number 3 is kailangan syempre, kung alam mo na kaya mo mag-deliver ng results, then you can also charge premium fees.
Yeah.
Kaya ang safe answer dyan is think of a number na happy ka ma-receive to provide a service. Meron pa yung breakdown na parang kunyari, tingnan mo, how much do you think is 1 hour of your time worth? So sabihin natin kunyari, 1,000 pesos ang isang oras mo. Right? And in order for you to deliver, sabihin natin 10 appointments sa isang clients, you will spend 20 hours per month. Then the rate that you will ask is 20K per month. Does that make sense? Pero,
Yeah.
never charge per hour. Ako, I'm not, I,
Oh,
hindi
then,
ko yung pinopromote na charge per hour. Kasi once you do that, then you go back to being an employee na parang you get paid by the hour. Lagi kang results. Kunyari, dito sa binigay mong example, you tell them, okay sir, I will charge you 20K per month, o sabihin natin, $500 for 10 appointments, quality appointments. Like, make sense? So yan,
yeah.
that's an example of a pricing. To give you an example, ako right now, I charge between $3,000 to $8,000 per month for my clients. Pero
Yun
syempre,
lang. Aray.
hindi lang naman yung lead generation. Si Sir Jam, siguro mga $15,000 per month yan.
Mga $35,000, gano'n. Thank you. Of course. Yeah, go.
Yun. Ito, last piece to. When I was just starting out, although kasi nung nagsimula kasi ako magbigay ng agency, meron na din akong vast experience. Ang ginawa ko, guys, is ganito yung strategy ko. I tell the client, sir, if you want, I can, let me provide you the service. If you're happy by the end of this month, you pay me $1,000. Parang work now, pay later. And lahat ng mga nakatrabaho ko na kliyente noon, kahit hindi ganun kaganda yung performance ko, they pay me. Pag nakita lang nila na may progress and then you're really putting the work, tas may over communication ka, talagang tinatrabaho mo talaga siya, babayaran ka nila.
Yeah.
Pero i-confirm mo na may pambayad sila. Sige.
Oh, pre-qualify again. So I think someone is looking for community. So guys, wala na po sa NAS ang community ng Setters PH. We already upgraded it to a better one, pang malakasang community, and I am sending that right now. And it's also where you can access the free Legion course. What's the name of the free Legion course again? Sir Ryan?
Lead generation course lang. Well, we have the Millionaire VA Blueprint. So this is this is a complete training, step by step, to teach you how to become a lead generation specialist, how to be able to do appointment setting, and last but not the least, how to actually create systems for your clients.
Kompleto yan. All for free. All you have to do is to join Setters PH. Andito yung links na sinend ko. My barangay community. Ayan, yung Setters PH community na lead generation course. And of course, tomorrow, meron ding webinar kami ni Sir Ryan, and it's all about closing clients through cold emails, 7 p.m. sa Setters PH na Facebook group. So, andito na po ang link ng event link as well. May question, sorry, here. Do you consider those marketing agency that is commission-based?
Do you consider those marketing agencies? What do you mean, do you consider?
Do you accept, Do you accept?
Hindi. Madaming ganito napansin ko to sa community ko. May mga nagsabi sa akin, they receive this message, this and that. No, I don't. I'm not gonna tell you to like not accept it, pero I don't recommend it. Kasi it's hard work kasi. Lead generation is hard work. So, syempre, kailangan, unless they're going to give you the training, pwede. Pero if they expect someone to do it for them and, experience one, parang doesn't make sense.
Yes. So, ayan. Thank you for answering that. Do you still have questions, guys? May questions ba tayo? Ayan, I already dropped the link, guys. Check it out. Okay, check it out. Andan yung ating free VA course. Kung wala na, free VA course, free Legion appointment setting course. Kung wala na, guys, let's all thank Coach Ryan sa comments. Say, thank you, Coach Ryan. Ganyan. Hala, Chan, hello! Ayan, everybody say, thank you, Coach Ryan. Ayan, sa comments.
Welcome, everyone. Welcome.
I already sent it. I'll send it for the third time. Reduce.
Setters PH is more than a lead generation course. If you're someone who wants to become a millionaire virtual assistant making hundreds of pesos per month, katulad ni Sir Jam, join kayo Setters PH.
Hala, hindi pa ako millionaire. Hala, charing. And anyway, ayan. So,
Letters that
maraming
page.
salamat. So, kung gusto mo makita kung paano ko optimize ang aking Facebook, LinkedIn page, guys, it's in my YouTube channel called Barangay VA University. Ayan. Thank you, Miss Kay. Hello, hello. Maraming salamat for being here as well. Everybody, well, I guess everyone's all right and everyone's satisfied. Very, very gold mine ito. Sir Ryan, salamat sa iyong insights at sa pag-impart sa ating mga kabarangay. Hanggang sa muli. See you guys again tomorrow, 7 p.m. Bye and happy holidays, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Sir Jam, love you. Cheers.
Holidays. Ryan, thank you too.